yesterday we went and got these boards, and they're I think they're about an inch thick or whatever, and the space that's in between was too right here especially, it was not thick enough, so we went back and got these boards that are much thinner. They're like 5/16, so that's going to become our ceiling. Putting it raw because it's winter. You don't want to finish anything in the winter when it's getting in the cold, because it'll crack the finish. So it'll be I don't want to wait to put the ceiling up, so I'm gonna work harder at finishing it inside when it's all installed. So right now we're just at this point where we want to put back the framing up here, and then we'll put another little piece of wood up here so that we can attach our ceiling to, and this one is to do the bulkhead. And that's where we're at. And it's so cold, I put my window covers in the front. Our first board is in! I just have to shim over here because I don't want it too high. And if I put it here, it's way too high. So we're gonna shim, and then that way it'll be even with the rest of it. Yay! Oh, I'd love a gum of banana. Thank you. Oh, now I'll be able to concentrate better. Come and do your...
What am I doing?
Just inscribe in here, take the pencil, and just mark the inside. Yeah, don't push too hard. You can push hard with the pencil, but not on my thing. Yeah? For some reason, I feel like it's not enough.
Wait. Just always make sure that's not too loose, and there's always an Allen key there to tighten it if it is.
Should the Allen key be there? Anyway, what am I doing to do this? Should I practice on something else?
Yeah.
I
that.
want you holding it.
You didn't put a screw here. I was holding it as tight as I could. We have no more nails, so we're good. Do you want me to get the no more nails? Pretty close. Pretty close. Is that it there?
Yeah, it's tight here, but I think that's like good. What do you think?
I think so. I think so. Tight again. I think this piece of folding wood. Are you in?
No, and I'm far from being. You're too far.
Yeah. Okay.
You'll have to tighten all the ones at the end. What?
Well, it's like 20 in here.
T-shirt.
What did you say?
That light's on the way in. Maybe we should have got a counter before everything else.
Oh God, can you imagine cutting into the counter by mistake?
Okay, then I'd cry. So maybe that's why we didn't get one. It doesn't matter. My voice goes. All right, this goes here.
Are you happier now, honey?
There.
Okay.
Oh, I won't go in. I think it's because I tightened too much at this end.
Here.
I gotta learn to melt. Do you even have it in?
Yeah, I can. It's there.
Did you bring the rubber mallet?
Yeah, it's right there. Right there by the light.
I think, can you stop pulling it down?
I'm not pulling it down.
Oh, it's way off. Push it at the end towards me. Like you got an easy 1/4 inch. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost there. Almost. Almost. That's just a slight bit. Okay, stop.
Sure you don't want the hammer or shit? Oh.
Am I good or?
Yeah, I think so.
No, give me the rubber mallet. I think by pushing it there, you.
Here, take the drill.
Maxie Poo.
Okay, Max? Good boy. You don't have to bark. Good boy. Ouch.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you want me to put a screw in or you want
No.
to do it? You want to do it?
I should have goggles.
You want goggles?
No,
Hold it.
my screws are crooked.
Oh,
That's what happened.
they look straight from here.
They are what they are. I need other shoes.
I think, oh, this end then? Oh, okay.
Oh, you'll have to.
So at this end, I think you should put the screw in.
Max! There's somebody there.
Doesn't look tight. Does it look tight to you? Yeah. It's reverse. Okay, I'm gonna go put them in. And we just, as we go up.
Max! Max! Oh, good boy! Good boy! Hi, can you see me? Good boy, buddy.
Think he wants in?
I think you should put him in because he's barking. What do you think?
You want to go in, Max? You want to go in the house?
Getting there. We decided that we're gonna just cover this since we already have our markings, and then I'm just gonna use that little tool John had and cut the hole for the fan frame. What little screws are you using for the end?
Right here. Right here. These ones right here. You're going ahead of me. You're not waiting for me? What's the problem? Don't forget your shoe.
Couldn't hold it.
You probably actually put two pine, scrap pine. Oh wait, you want to go through it?
No,
Okay.
go through the other ones. It's all good.
Okay, I trip on them too.
Okay, so you should this.